All right, planting some more herbs. Today we've got oregano, which is a perennial, and we're going to show you how to container garden it. Go ahead and make sure you have adequate size. I like 10 inches or more around to plant the herbs, and he's putting some drainage in the bottom. Put some rocks for drainage, then fill it with a good potting soil, and then you're going to come in with a little compost there. We're using composted rabbit droppings. And we're going to put that in there to feed the plant. Go ahead and loosen up your plant from your little transplant and then plop it in. And we're going to make sure it's at the right depth. And then he's going to backfill in here and fill up this planter. You'll want to make sure you're down at least an inch from the top of the planter so that you have room for the water to actually go into. Last but certainly not least, let's water in the oregano really well. We love oregano in Italian dishes. Tell me how you use your oregano.